Magandang morning everyone and welcome to Sequoia Hotel here at Metro Manila, Philippines, and this is the Stylist Philippines Kids and Teens Global Pageant Philippines Season 2. My name is DJ Alvin from EuroTV Philippines Entertainments and Afternoon Drive host. And for today's video, mga kasikat, isa na naman sa mga candidates ng Kids and Teens ng ating mga kapanayam at nakakausap ngayong araw. And Ate, can you please kindly introduce yourself right now?
My name is Francesca Nabilin Bermudez Manoles. I am 9 years old. I live at Nasugbu, Batangas.
Batasan, Batangas?
Batangas.
Batangas. City or what? We're in Batangas. Nasugbu, Batangas. So same kayo ni nung isang candidate kayo na Nasugbu din. So, how is your feelings right now? A little bit nervous. Bakit ka kinakabahan? Pageant lang naman to.
Because sometimes I get very nervous because lots of people around.
Oh, so parang hindi ka pa sanay sa maraming tao. Pero anyway, this is your first time? Marami na palang beses na nangyari. Pero at least kahit paano, nababawasan ng konti yung kaba mo. Okay. Anyway, Francesca, right? Oo. So, paano mo pinaghandaan or how did you prepare this pageant?
I practice a lot, dress rehearsals, and photo shoots, so I can try anything.
Okay. Gaano kalayo yung Batangas from Metro Manila? Ilang oras kayo nagbiyahe dito, papunta dito? So, 2 hours. Oo. Dito na ba kayo natulog or bumiyahe pa kayo kanina madaling araw? Or nagstay na kayo dito sa wow. Iba talaga pag mga taga Batangas, yayamanin, di ba? Oo, pa-check-in na lang, di ba? From Batangas, so, di ba? Anyway, Francesca, may question lang ako sa iyo. Anong gusto mo paglaki mo at bakit?
I want to be a
Animal doctor. Bakit gusto mo maging animal doctor?
It's because I want to help the animals in poor condition since they're in lots of misery. Sometimes they're sickness. I want to take them to the vet, give them new homes, and then they family to them.
So are you also a pet lover, right? So what your pet?
I have some dogs, cats, chicken, fish, and
So lahat yung pag nagkasakit ginagamot mo.
sometimes daddy pa lang po.
Alright. So anyway, Francesca, do you have somebody to greet or do you have somebody to shout out right now? Go ahead.
Shout out to my teachers and my best friends.
Nag-aaral ka ba or what grade or senior high school or what?
I am
Grade
grade 5.
5. So ano naman ang pinagkakabalahan mo during break time or break day? Like for example, walang pasok, ganyan.
Cellphone.
Oh, playing cellphone. Roblox,
Sometimes
gano'n.
I would just like look at the window, see how the beautiful world.
Oh, yeah. And syempre, selfies like that. Ganyan, diba? Every morning, selfies and hashtag, today is the day. Ganun. I'm beautiful today. Ganun. Anyway, so what is your favorite foods naman? And why?
My favorite food is sinigang. Because
Sinigang what? It's pork or shrimp?
because sa bulat, I love it. It's sour at the perfect size.
Oh, I love sinigang na hipon rin also. Kasi gusto ko yung sabaw medyo maasim-asim, 'di ba? And I like the shrimp, yung big na mga hipon. Ang sarap niyang kainin, 'di ba? Alright. So anyway, sa mga colors naman, what is your favorite po?
My favorite color is
Blue.
blue.
And bakit naman blue ang napili mo?
Because it represents calmness, peace, followed by some beautiful birds.
Yes. Alright. So, ano naman ang gusto mong sabihin sa mga kapwa mo candidates? What is your message to your co-candidates?
Good luck to them. They win or lose. Guys, good luck. I hope you
So, sa tingin mo ba, maiuwi mo yung corona ngayong araw?
hindi ko po.
Yeah, really. You wish na maiuwi mo yung crown for today's event. And do you have some message to your mom and dad right now?
Thank you for supporting me and all the things I've been doing with my up and downs.
And to your supporters and fans, do you have some message?
Thank you for being super kind to me. Thank
Yes. And do you have some social media account to promote? So you don't have Facebook at this moment. Alright, so kasi bata ka pa naman talaga, so no need to use social media, di ba? Ang daming mga loko-loko ngayon. Kaya thank you so much for that answer na wala kang social media account sa ngayon. Anyway, good luck Francesca, and I hope na mauwi mo yung crown ngayong araw. Congratulations again. Thank you so much.
you.